A perfect gaming laptop which is capable to handle high-intensity games and has a best heat management when compared with other competitors, and the display is also good. Build quality was awesome when compared with ROG and Predator. Best laptop ever. Best for gaming, awesome gaming performance, battery life is good up to 8 HRS, base design is fabulous, value for money. I bought the bit more costlier version of it, HP Omen DC0085TX model with NVIDIA 1070Ti graphics card, and hence I suppose I can rightly review it for users. Regarding this model, pros, design, excellent and compact design, gaming, sophisticated yet elegant screen, 144Hz fast screen for gaming with matte finish so no glares. Excellent color on FHD IPS screen and very wide viewing angles, very beautiful if you believe me. 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD gives read-write rates over 3000 megabits per second, so boots up in a flash, hardly 2 to 3 seconds. 512 gigabits lets you install multiple large games as well on primary drive. Storage 1TB HDD is 7200 revolutions per minute, which is quite fast. 26 GHz 9th generation processor coupled with 16 GB 2666 MHz DDR4 RAM is super fast as well. 6 GB NVIDIA 1660Ti graphics card is better than 1060Ti and only slightly slower than older but we are ready 1070Ti that I have in my HP Omen DC0085TX model. Still most games would play flawlessly in mid to ultra settings. Battery backup is very good, decent fan cooling and noise, not too loud as in others. Temperature rise is reasonable upon gaming. 3 USB 3 ports, 1 Type-C with Thunderbolt for extreme fast connections, no scarcity of ports for show. 4-zone RGB lit keyboard with decent throw and feel. Touchpad is also pretty accurate and smooth. Cons, Bang & Olufsen speakers are pathetic and much overhyped. Individual lighting for keys would have been great. 2 slot or HDD slot for future upgradation. HP service can be a pain at times, yet in the end you would get the support. Take extra warranties as it would surely pay off in long run. Final verdict, can absolute beauty to possess and cast envy among friend circle. This is after using it for 6 months. Laptop is amazing, but it heats a lot sometimes and you have to manually maximize the fan speed, and it has some battery issues. But the laptop is quite smooth. It's really a good laptop, although there are laptops with much higher configuration, but Omen is a better option when it comes to design and quality. Display is good. Mine is 60Hz cause I am not a serious gamer, but you can game on with the external display. Comparing to other laptop display here, HP wins. If go check out different sites, then you'll come to know that the panel HP used is really better than others. Plenty of ports are there in this model. Bonus Thunderbolt 3 support, 2 slot and a HDD. Totally this system upgradable to 3 TB. It should have 2 SSD slot, but it's okay. And one thing, this models comes with Wi-Fi 9560, but don't worry, you can upgrade it to Wi-Fi 6. Coming to performance, it's the better option at this price point. There are AMD Ryzen models though. If you are a content creator or do photo editing, then use the mini display port for 4K monitor. After all, the speaker is okay, it's crisp clear. All of us know laptop speaker are there to get the job done. For best experience, use headphone or external speaker. Bonus, this model support DTS headphone X WOW RAM upgradable up to 32 gigs 2667 mHz. About thermal, yes, update the BIOS cause after updating it temp drops drastically in my case. It might work in your case too. Conclusion, choose the model according to your necessity, but in mid 2020 there are plentiful other laptop are there, so don't get confused. Best performance laptop available in this range. Click link in description for more reviews.